Hello everybody, welcome back to my kitchen, also known as a level 1 kitchen, where you can find easy to make meals, snacks, and desserts. And I am your host, Outlawshawn. Now I know I've been going a while, I took a little break, it's been summertime, I've been trying to enjoy myself, but I also got a promotion at work, so I've been real busy. Now as you see in the thumbnail, we're going to be making some peach cobbler today. Now it's going to be a nice real simple dish, anybody can make it, even you. Now for your ingredients, you're going to need some oats, butter, cinnamon, some canned peaches, brown sugar, nutmeg, and a deep dish pie crust. Okay, to start things off, you want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Next, get yourself a nice sized mixing bowl. Add in your peaches, your brown sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg, and mix everything together until it's nice and gooey. Next, to make your topper, combine your butter, your sugar, oats, flour, and a little bit of cinnamon. Mix everything together by hand or with a spatula till you get a nice doughy ball. Now, get your pie crust. You want to go ahead and add in your peach mixture. Then get your topper, start tearing apart your dough until you cover everything up evenly. Place your cobbler onto a sheet pan, pop it into your oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until the topper is golden brown. When you take it out, let it cool for a minute and you're ready to serve.